going to be wearing this for 30 damn hours. Stop playing with us. You're just making up numbers. Hey kitties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Marilyn and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. And today we have a Target haul. A Target haul I didn't plan. You know what I'm saying? I really didn't plan it. I went to Target, minding my business as usual, okay? I went to return an item, and as I was returning the item, I turned around and they had like a makeup section. I don't know when they started doing that, but I had to go over. I didn't land in the makeup department. The makeup department landed on me, period. I was minding my business. Okay, so I picked up a few things. It's not a lot of things, but I figured why not do a small little haul, because I am going to do a drugstore makeup look, or like a spring inspired look maybe, with these things. So I was like, let's haul it first, and then the next video that you guys see will be a tutorial or a look. You know what I'm saying? Let's get into it. Okay, now the first thing that I picked up, because I was thinking about spring eyeshadow looks, and I feel like this is a springy sort of palette, and it's by a brand called Beauty Bakery, and it says Beauty Bakery Bite Size. I don't know if this is the same Beauty Bakery that is in like Ulta and Sephora. I'm not sure, but it says Bite Size, so maybe it's like a drugstore version of it. I don't know, but this is the eyeshadow palette. Let me go ahead and open it up so we can swatch it. But I figured this would be a cute little palette. It has a lot of neutral tones, which is what I normally do anyway. But we do need some color, and I want to try some new products, some new brands, which I haven't really purchased a lot of makeup lately. Let me open this because it's really, it's annoying for me. Just give me a second. Girl, I don't know why I can't open a package like a normal person. Like, did I have to do this? Did I have to do this? I get that from my mom. My mom's like that. Just ask my dad. And now this palette is so pretty. Can't remember how much I paid for it, but of course I'm gonna make sure I link everything. This is a really nice palette. So it has mattes. Let me show you here. It has some matte colors in it. These colors right here are so beautiful to have in the crease. If you like a nice warm tone crease, those colors are really pretty. This color is looking a little gray on the camera. It's like a pastel. I'm gonna swatch it. Let me just swatch it. I'm gonna swatch this color. So this is giving chalky as far as the color. However, the formula itself is very smooth, or it feels smooth. I'm gonna swatch it here so we can see. That's ashy. What the hell am I doing with that color? That's ashy for me.
Projects, Marcy, son, what?
Well, no, I feel like it can be really nice. That might be good. Put that as the first color, then do like a shimmery color over top of it, which they have a shimmery color very similar in the palette. So that's that. These are really nice eyeshadows. See, it's really nice. Very buttery. I like that. And let's swatch one more. Let's swatch this color. They feel so soft too. Like when you touch it, the shadows are so soft. Yeah, I really like that color. That's a pretty color as a blush as well. On, I would say like medium to deep skin tones, this would be a nice blush color. So I really like this palette, and I am gonna do a look with it. So the next video, you're gonna be seeing me use all the products that I picked up. So this is the first one. It's called Rainbow Marshmallows, which is such a cute name. And it is the, again, Beauty Bakery Bite Size palette. So this is really pretty. I could get some nice looks out of this stuff. Some really nice looks. So that's the first thing. I picked up something else, a few other things from Beauty Bakery. All right, so the next item is so cute. Again, this is by Beauty Bakery Bite Size. So this is a setting powder, but look at the packaging. I think this is just like that brand that's in Ulta, if I'm not mistaken. They're just probably in Target too now. I don't know. So this is it. It looks like a bite-sized flower package, and even has these like nutrient facts on the side. And the color setting powder that I got was Plantain Caramel. So let me just open this one up and see what it's looking like. I wanted to try some new setting. I love complexion products, so like setting powders, foundations, concealers. That's my type of thing. I love those type of. Oh, this is the same brand. But this is how their packaging looks. So this is the setting powder by Beauty Bakery, and it's in, again, plantain caramel. All right, also has a sifter. So let me just, so you can kind of see. See, it's a yellow shade. So how much did I pay for this? Because the total was kind of high. I was like, what the hell? The hell did I buy? But I love this packaging. I love the whole bakery theme. So that is the second item that I got from them. All right, so the next item that is also so cute, still by Beauty Bakery. It is their Smackaroon blush. So this is it here. This is the color. This color is kind of similar to that eyeshadow that I just showed you, that I said would look good on like medium to deep skin tones. This is similar, but it's definitely a little bit more deeper, a little bit more rich in color. So let me just open it up so you guys can see it. But I love the packaging. I love the theme of this brand. How cute is this? If you're into packaging and just like cutesy things like this, this is so cute. Get the color open. It literally looks like that eyeshadow. All right, so this is it in the pan. This color is going to be so perfect on my skin as a blush for the summer. I would put this on my eyelid. I would put it in my crease. I would use it for all of that. So this is just a really nice versatile color. Just swatch it. Look at that. It's more like a burnt, kind of like a burnt orange. Let me just try to swatch it next to this. It goes on really smooth too. So this is it here. That would be such a gorgeous blush. Oh girl, this look is going to be popping. I'm going to make sure it's a really beginner friendly, spring inspired makeup tutorial. So for sure I'll definitely make sure it's beginner friendly. But again, this color is called Freshly Baked, and it's a Smackaroon blush, bite size. So cute. So cute. Next item is by a company I've never heard of. It's called Thread Face It. So this is the item. It looks interesting, so I got it. It's like a contour concealer complexion stick, so you can use it as foundation, but I brought this to use it as a bronzing or like a contour sort of stick. So this is the color that I got. This is the color that I got. And then this is number 180. It's called Rich Brown Cool. So let me swatch it. Oh, this is pretty deep. So this is it here. That's a really nice rich color. So this is going to be a really nice bronzer. It's very, very silky too. What do I smell? Maybe that's my body cream. Yeah, I think that's my body cream. Sugar Scoop Beauty, by the way. But I smelled it. I thought this had a scent, but no, that's just me. That's just me. So this is, again, Rich Brown Cool. Super gorgeous color for bronzing, contour. It's going to look really good on my skin as a bronzing tone. So yeah, this is by, again, Threaded. They had quite a few colors. I was going to get something to kind of like highlight under my eyes, but I was like, I'm not that into this type of formula as a concealer under the eyes, because I believe it can be a little creasy. Like creams under the eye for me can be a little creasy. I prefer more of a liquid. So I was like, let me just stick with the darker color to use as a bronzer. So yeah. So of course I got some more complexion products, because that's like my favorite makeup item is complexion products. So I did pick up a concealer, and this is going to be a highlighting concealer for me, and it's by NYX. It's the Bare With Me concealer serum. So this is what I got here as a highlighting shade, and it has a little cute pump. So I'm going to go ahead and pump some out and see what this is about. Oh, I got to open it first. I really don't like opening these things. Let me just do this. That was easy enough. So it has this cute little pump, which reminds me of the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. Hopefully this doesn't pump as much out as that does, but let's give it a go. Just pump some out on my hand. Let's see how much comes out when we do it. I'm trying to be careful. Okay, this one's a little better. There's a little bit more control with this one. Let's see if the color I got is okay to highlight. That's a pretty light. Well, no, I can work with this because I'm not going to even apply it this heavy. Let me just dab some here so we can see. Yeah, this can definitely be a really good highlighting shade, because this is how I would apply it anyway. This is kind of a lot. So this is a good highlighting shade because it's a little bit lighter than the complexion on my hand, which my hand is lighter than my face. But this is a great guide for me to figure out what's a good highlighting shade, or the color of my chest is much lighter than my face too. So I'll highlight with that color to kind of balance out everything, because literally there's so many shades going on. Like I'm darker here, lighter here, lighter here. Like it's, you know, when you want to just balance the complexion, you can use your chest as a guide, because a lot of, not everyone, but a lot of people do have like a lighter chest area. So that's what I do when it comes to highlighting. I try to get a shade that's very close to that, or even close to the shade of my hand. So you can see that kind of blends in. It's a tad bit lighter, but it would work out great as a highlighting concealer, especially if I apply it properly. So this would definitely work. I like the way it feels, like the way it blends. Like the way it blends is like really nice. I guess because it is like a serum, it's a thinner formula, but it does still look like full coverage to me. Nah, it's not full coverage. I would say like medium coverage, which is perfect. I love medium coverage. I love buildable coverage. So that is that. Look at my hands. And I did get another concealer, of course, because I love complexion. All right, so the concealer that I got is by Maybelline. It's this concealer here. It's the Superstay. Supposedly it can be worn for 30 hours. Who's really testing that? Like 30 hours, girl? At this point, y'all just playing with me. Putting 24 hours, 30 hours on there. Like, who's wearing their makeup that long? If you are, stop. Stop.
Are you done?
But this one is called Activewear. So I'm guessing this is concealer like if you are a type of person that wears makeup to the gym, or even if you're wearing makeup to an event that's outdoors. Like if you're going to a stadium or like a football game and it's outside, but you want to be, you know, you want to glam it up a bit, I guess this would be a great concealer to go for. But it looks interesting, so I definitely want to try it out and see how long it does actually last. This is it here. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it and see what the color looks like, because it looks kind of light, but I don't know. So this is the wand, which I like how thin this wand is. It looks like one of those flexible wands. Yeah, it is. Ooh, this feels so good. It's very close to this color, but has more golden or yellow undertones. I actually like this color better than this one, because this one is looking a little bit light in comparison, but I love them both. But this color just looks better. The formula of this is really nice. It's very watery, which I like that. I love like a thin formula when it comes to under the eyes, because I don't want it to be creasy or just, you know, settling in lines. The thicker it is, the thicker the formula is, the more likely I'm not going to choose it to go under my eyes at all. And if it is thick, I'm going to apply it very, very thinly and slowly and build it up, because I don't like that look. No one really likes that look of concealer just settling under their eyes. Like, who really like that? So let me put it on the other hand, because I want to blend it out, and I have so many things on this hand. I need to go wipe it off. So I'm just going to put a little swatch here on this hand so I can just blend it with my finger and see how it goes, how it blends. This is such a thin, watery concealer. I'm into that, so it feels so good on the skin. So this is it here. I can't wait to try these concealers out for sure. I can't wait to try it out. So that is the Superstay Activewear concealer, and you can wear it up to 30 hours, but we are not going to be wearing this for 30 damn hours. Stop playing with us. You're just making up numbers at this point. All right, so the next item that I got is a primer, and this is my Maybelline, and it's the Fit Me collection, and this is the Matte Plus Poreless Primer, and this has sunscreen. It says mattifying primer sunscreen. So, and it's SPF, broad spectrum, SPF 20. So that's why I got this, because it does have the SPF and it's mattifying. So I was like, let me try that. I haven't bought primer in so long because when I do have on makeup, it's really not for that long. So I haven't been using a primer. But I'm definitely going to try this out. I want to just squeeze some. I just want to feel it, what the texture's like. Okay. I hope this doesn't give that. I hope it doesn't make my makeup look ashy. So this, it's like a lotiony consistency. Okay. Okay. It feels, for it to be a mattifying primer, it feels very hydrating, if you know what I'm saying. So this is it here. So it doesn't leave a cast or anything like that. So that's good. So again, this is by Maybelline. Maybelline Fit Me. I just had to smell it for some reason. It smells like nothing. It smells like it smells like nothing really. Not much of a smell. But yeah, Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Primer. We are going to be using this on the spring tutorial. So definitely make sure you like and subscribe and follow and wait for that tutorial because it's going to come up right after this video and within like a day or two after this video. All right, and we have one more item. Let me grab it. This is by Elf. I think I saw this on a reel on Instagram where the girl did her makeup. Prior to putting on the makeup, she did like her primer, and then she sprayed this and then did a powder over that spray and then did her makeup, and supposedly it lasted all day and it looked, you know, poreless, it looked smooth, it looked good. So I'm gonna try that. So this is called the Stay All Day Blue Light Micro Setting Mist. Okay, so it has a mist sprayer is what I assumed from the title, but let's just open it up and see what the spray, what the pump is like. That's what I meant to say, because that pump matters. I don't like when I tell you I hate when you spray like a setting spray and it just spits out, you know what I'm saying, just spits out all the liquid. Like, I don't like that. I need it to be a fine mist that I enjoy to use. So let's go ahead and spray this one and see. Okay, this is well, no, it's some pieces that mist, and then there's a couple pieces that have like a hard drop of liquid. Yeah. Okay, kitty, so that is our haul. We are going to be using all these items in my next video, which is going to be a makeup tutorial, spring inspired. So definitely don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check that out. If you are wondering about my lippy, this is any gloss that you see me with, more than likely it's Sugar Scoop Beauty, which is my small business, and these are handmade glosses by me. And these glosses are an absolute treat to apply because they're so smooth. The color that I got on right now, yeah, the color I have is Undressed. So this is it here. It's pinky raspberry nudie shade. So smooth. I absolutely love it. I do have it on lip liner that is called Brownie on with it. So it's just a lip gloss and the liner and all this goodness. Super smooth, shiny. The most moisturizing gloss you will ever put on your lip. Don't play with me. I'll leave all the information below, including a coupon code if you want to try anything on the site. We have body care, we have lip glosses, we also have press-on nails. This is actually a set. This is from it's called Sweet Duo on the site because there's 2 set of nails that come in it for one great price. So this is it. I love this so much. But that is it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to come back because we have a makeup tutorial on the way. Okay, bye kitties.